What do you get? What kind of vehicle does a 17-year-old teenager that wears Lululemons, listening to Taylor Swift, drinking out of her Stanley Cup want to drive? Well, good morning, everybody. Oh, there we go. Now you can see me. It is way early. I think I got in the truck just before 6 a.m. And yes, I have an empty trailer behind me. But this isn't our typical road trip garage kind of adventure. We are going to pick up a vehicle, and I am very excited to show you guys, but this one's on a very different level than what we normally have. So basically what's going on is, on October 1st, our daughter was involved in a car accident. She had only had her driver's license for a couple of months. She was not at fault. A gentleman went through the red light. That's just all there is to it. It wasn't malicious. It wasn't drinking and driving. It was genuinely an accident. So anyways, unfortunately, her car, her little Honda, was totaled, finished. She herself, by the way, is doing okay. She's good. She does have, because she was hit in the driver door, her left leg and knee pretty sore. She's getting it checked. She's doing some physio. There's a knee brace involved, but she's good spirits. She's back driving. She's living her life just the way she should. It's fantastic. Excuse me. But, like I said, the little Honda was totaled. So I've spent the last month plus shopping for a vehicle, and we are keeping a little bit of a road trip garage theme. This vehicle we're picking up does need a little, will get personalized, I guess would be the best way to say it. We're gonna try to get it, make it the best we can for her. So I don't want to give too much away. When we get a little closer to our destination, I am driving 5 hours today, a little over 300 miles, to go get this vehicle. Excuse me. But I don't want to give too much away. When we get there, I'm going to show you and give you guys a tour, and then I'm going to give you guys an update on what our plan will be for that. So guys, I'm grateful for you guys joining me along on this adventure. As you see, I'm traveling solo. Like I said, it's a much more personal, family related video, this one here, this adventure. But yeah, here we go. I'm gonna make some miles and show you what we get. guys, we're 3 hours 40 minutes on the road. We're gonna stop and put a little fuel in the truck, get a little snack for this guy. We still got a good hour and a half ballpark to get to our destination. So anyways, thanks for hanging out. Well, good morning. It is morning. I didn't record because it was incredibly boring and long drive home last night, and I was late, to be honest with you. I did respect the privacy of the gentleman I bought the vehicle from, so unfortunately that is not on film either. It's quite frankly uneventful, and I'm sure you guys are aware of it. However, we're going to get back to the subject at hand. So my question is, what do you get, what kind of vehicle does a 17-year-old teenager that wears Lululemons, listening to Taylor Swift, drinking out of her Stanley Cup, want to drive? What does she want to drive? I mean, do we get her another Honda? Do we give her a Miata? Does she want an old Camaro? Nope. Nope. What she wants is a Ford Ranger service truck. That's it. I cannot make this up, guys. This is what she wanted. She wanted a pick-em-up truck. So I scoured the internet, looked high and low, and unfortunately the best one I could find, in road trip garage fashion that is, something that we could put a little love into, was 5 hours away. So this is her, new to her, 2011, hang on, I'm gonna prop you up here. Come on, stay there. Let me see, can you see me all right? This is a 2011 Ford Ranger, and it's a pretty basic truck. It is a 2.3 automatic with air conditioning, so it's perfect. Regular cab, two-wheel drive. It has about 150,000 miles on it, which isn't terrible. It does have a little rust. Here, I'm gonna bring you back. Just got a little bit, right? We gotta fix up a couple things, spots, try to make her pretty. Right, we're gonna clean up the wheels, or maybe find some better ones. The bumper's pretty ugly. Let's go around. See, there's a little spot on the tailgate here. But considering where we are in Ontario, the lack of rust is actually fantastic, which I'm excited for. Now that old cap on the top of that truck is definitely not a Taylor Swift teenager cup of tea, but our son, who has a Ranger, which you've seen, is a level 1 carpenter apprentice. So we are going to take this off and put it onto his truck because it's exactly what he needs for his day-to-day future career. But we're going to give it some clean, some TLC. There's definitely a handful of things that aren't correct on it, that's for sure. But yeah, I'm not gonna lie, a little shocked that she wanted a pick-em-up truck. So we got her a pick-em-up truck. So we're gonna take this up the road to our local Jiffy Lube, because we're gonna start off by, oh, hang on, where are you? There you are. We're gonna start off by getting all the fluids serviced and changed on it. We're gonna get the transmission oil changed, the rear differential oil changed. We'll check the coolant, see if it's okay, if it needs to be serviced, engine oil. And then after that, we're gonna start processing what we need to make it legal. Make sure the brakes are good. We checked last night, all the lights are working. We gotta make sure all the brakes are good, there's no front end issues, etc., etc. So guys, I am very grateful that you guys joined me on my adventure yesterday, kept me company, because it was a long day. But I won't bore you with the boring details. When we do something cool with it, I'll bring that up to attention, maybe show you. I think we're going to put music in this for her, because this particular child absolutely lives and dies for music. So I hope you all have a fantastic day and a better weekend. And cheers.